Let's now create a simple design. For this one, we're going to choose from the templates. Like I said earlier, that you can choose from the templates. You can also create from the scratch by yourself. But let's first of all choose from the template. And let's say now, the first thing you need to decide is that what do I want to create for? Is it Instagram post? Is it for Instagram story? Or which one? Now let's pick for Instagram post. So you go to Instagram post, click see all so that you can choose from the templates. Now before we go on, let me also explain something to you. If you look at this page, you see that there are some that we have free written under them. We have some that we have some coin placed under them. What that means is that these ones that you have coins placed under them, you need to pay some certain amount to be able to use. The creator doesn't want to give it out for free, so you need to pay to use it. But the ones that are free means that you can use them freely without paying. And I want to tell you that there are thousands of templates that are free, so there's no need of looking at those paid ones. It's not that there are even some exceptional things, so something that after you have even known how to do it, you can even do the better one yourself. So let's look at one of the free ones and let's work with it before we now go to design our own from the scratch. For you to design from the scratch, this is that you have this blank space. So this one means that you just click on it. If you want to design from the scratch by yourself, you just click the blank one and start doing your own thing. But before we go to design from the scratch by ourselves, let's first of all use one of their templates and tweak, edit to suit what you want to use it for. Let me see the one we can just pick. Okay, let's assume that we pick this one. So it shows like this, and you click on it again so that you can have it to work on. Okay, that's good. So you have this one now. You now say, okay, I want to change something. What are the things you can change there? You can change the color of anything there, maybe the color of the fonts. You can change the color of the background. You can change the image that you have there. You can change the font size. You can change different things that you can change. You see as we go on, you can change the picture to your own, like I said. So let's move on now. Let's do some editing. Okay, let's say now that we have immediately I click on this one. You see what happens? It shows me the properties. So it shows that in this one I've chosen now, we have the color. This is the color. We have this color in there. We have white color. We have blue color. So it now highlights. If you see it properly, you see that it highlights the white color. Assuming that I want to change anything I do now will affect the white color. Assuming that I say I want to change the white color now to another color. I don't want the white. I want to change it to red. I have red there. You see what I'm saying? So I change the white because another thing you need to be sure of is look at what you are doing and see what is highlighted for you. When you click on anything that is going to highlight something for you here, it means that is what you want to work on. That anything you now do after then is going to affect that one that is highlighted. Okay, let me do something. No, I've already changed that one to white. I'm saying, I to red. I don't want to change it to red again. I want to go back to the previous color. Just click on undo. Then it gives me back the old color. Okay, but let's say now that truly I actually want to change it to red. You see I highlighted, so I just pick red. So it shows that. So this one now, immediately I click this one, you see what it shows? It shows that is an image, is a picture. Do I want to change it to anything? What do I want to change it to? Am I changing it to any picture in my own? This gallery means that it's showing the pictures that I have in my phone, my own pictures. So if I want to change the picture there to any of the pictures on my phone, I just pick which of them. Or if I say no, I want to choose image are the pictures, their own image, the pictures, Canva's own pictures. So gallery is the collection of my own picture, the pictures I have in my own phone. Image are the collection of pictures in Canva. So if I say I don't want to choose for my own picture, I don't have any picture that I like that I want to use. I want to check, I want to browse through their own pictures, and I want to choose one. Let's say, okay, we just choose this one. You see, I said, is I changed the picture there to the one I just chose. Or if I say no, I don't even want picture, I want to change it to a color. It will show me color. I just click on color. I go, what color do I want to change it to? I'm changing it to, this is purple, right? Or violence, or what? See. So what I'm trying to let you see is that you should be conscious and notice the whatever. When you click anything, just be conscious of what it highlights for you here, because it is what it highlights that is going to change, that's going to be affected with anything that you do after that. So assuming that okay, I don't want to change this one. Actually, I like the picture there. I undo, and I have the picture that I've already posted there. Or maybe I want to filter. Now this picture, but I don't still like the color. This filter is sure that you can change it to anything, to a brighter color, to a duller color, to a. No, I want to change the brightness. That is to filter. So it will show you the filter. So you see filter now. So and still know that I like this one. So you still we are still working on this particular picture. So look at it now. Let me see. Okay, I want this. It's I change the brightness of the picture. Oh, I want a no scroll. I want it cooler. See, I want a black and white background. It shows it. So that is filter for you. So that's about that. Okay, now we have. So the same thing you can do with everything. Just click anything you want to change in the thing. Anyone that is highlighted is the one that you are going to work with at that particular point in time. And just when it highlights anyone, look at what it's showing you. You don't want to change it. These are the options that you can choose from. Are you changing to another picture? And are you choosing from your own pictures, the one you have in your phone, or you want to choose from the pictures that in Canva, or you want to change, you don't want picture, you want a color background, or after you have chosen, or the picture that you have there is okay, but you want to change the brightness or the lightness or the dullness or whatever. That is filter. So let's move on. That's about that. Now this is the fonts. See, immediately I click the fonts, it shows everything here. You know that. Look at this now. We have, if you see properly, that we have two different let's say categories now of fonts there, of some words or sentence. There is one tiny one up here, there's a bigger one here, but immediately I put them together, I click it's actually captured both of them, which means that both of them are grouped together. Then what I can do is I might say, okay, I just want to ungroup. I want to work on each of them differently. I don't want to work on both of them together. So click on this circle with 3 dots. You do see that? And click here. See? Click on this and click on this one. So I hope you got what I did. Let me undo and show you again. See now, you see I'm moving this way. It shows that both of them are together. They are grouped together. But I want to ungroup. I want to be able to work on each of the sentences differently. I don't want to the way it is now. If I do anything, it's going to affect. Maybe if I say I want to delete one now, I want to change the color, it's going to affect both of them. But I want to work on each of them differently. So I want to ungroup them. How do you ungroup? Click on this round shape with 3 dots, and it's going to show me some options. Then look at this one. There's one here that is show that 2 icons, one round over a rectangle shape. So click on it. So it has ungrouped them now. So I can work on this alone. See, before it was picking all of them, both of them together, but now I can work on this alone. So that's how to do. That's how to ungroup. So secondly, now I want to change these fonts. When you click on any wordings or any text, it's going to show you the font style, this is the font size here. So it's going to show you this the size of the font size, and the color, the spacing, and whether it's capital letter or big or small letter. And there's some other one here. This one now, maybe it has been disabled. We have some when we are doing some other things we show. We have is maybe you want it in italics, or you want to bolden it, or maybe this one now. What is the size of what is the alignment? This one is to the right. You can see it's right alignment. I want to change it to left alignment. You click this one. I want to change it to center. You click on that one. So you see, so you just look at them. You see that different things are there that you can actually work with. So now I want to change the font style, the style of the font. I just click here, and you have the different fonts style that are there I can choose from. So just because it's just an exercise, just a training we're doing, and so let me just say I choose. Let's say I choose Aileron Heavy. You see. That's what I want. But when I choose, I now say that's okay. It's big. This is what I did. I want to change the size of the font. You click on the number you have there, which actually is for the size. Then draw it back to show to the desired font size that you want. That is it. Okay. And I want to change the color of the font too. So this is the color blue. You click on it. What color do I want? Let's say I want color white. That's it. Okay. So the second thing is that is there. When immediately I click on it, it shows me all the property. It shows that it is the font style is actually full narrow. Then the size is 50. This is a gray color. Is in right alignment. It's not bolding. I can bolden it. It's not italics. I can italics it. It's capital. You should know that its capital is highlighted, so it is in capital. Then spacing. I want to change the spacing. I can click on that. Now let's say that what I just want to do is to change. I want to change the color. Let me change the color to blue. Okay. Click OK. And then what else do I want to do to make it? I want to see it. I want to bolden it. See, it's bolded, but it's still not well shown for me. I want to change the size. I want to increase the size a bit. See, I've increased the size, but when after increasing the size, I see that okay, it's now overlapping on the other one. Then you shift it up. That's it. So that is it. Okay, let me just say also now that this place, I click on it. It shows like like I told you, when you click on that, this is a picture. Then I want to change it to another picture in my gallery, or I want to choose from the image on Canva. I want to change it to a color. I want to filter it the way it is, just to change some filter, to change the whatever. So that is how you can work with your own templates to bring out your own thing. And you might, like we did the other time, assuming that I'm okay with the background and all that, but this I want to change the wordings. This one is say lucky color blue. I want to change the wordings. Just click on the words. Click on it again so that I can highlight it for you to be able to change. Now it has already captured everything for me now, so I can type anything. What do I want to type there? Let's just say test or Canva test. Just something. Canva testing. See, you have changed it. And let's say that I even say that okay. Oh, this one now is in capital. I want to change it to small letter. This is it. I just click on this one. You see now? But what happens there is that it's already conditioned. It's already. That's how it is done. You can't change it to capital. You can't change it to small letter for this one particular one. So that's why when I click on this and I change it here, it didn't change. Just show that is how the creator has already done it. So you can't change it to capital. But there's some other one that after working on it, some design that after you have worked on it, you can actually change the font, and we're going to see some of them as we move on. That is about using their own templates, working with their own template to just change some things, change color, change text, change the font size, change the font color, change the background color, or change images, filtering of images, and all that, working with the template that is already in Canva. In the next one, we are going to start from the scratch and create our own template. So after you have already done this, what is the next thing? Okay, and you click on this one. You can actually say you want to share. You can see 2 arrows there. This is share. That one goes out. Then you want to download. This is the arrow that comes down. And you can see some other things here too. You can see if I want to reshape. I click on that one. Select size. What size do I want to use? This, they show it here now. You can click on it. What's my math? Maybe I want to use 90 by 90. I'll just click here, and after that, I don't want to resize, so I'm not going to do anything. I'm just showing you how you can resize. After you clicked on that one, it brings you here, and you just click on this one to change you want to change the size to what you want. So, and you click on resize. So, well, what it just shows now is that if you want to resize, you have to pay. But since, like I said, you don't need to resize. This one is like, I'm working with Instagram, and I want to use, I'm already using Instagram post template, so there is no resizing. It's good for my post, so I don't need to resize. That one is okay for me. I'm just showing that, I'm assuming that you work from this kind and you want to resize things for yourself, and you're ready to pay for it. That is how to resize. So in the next one, we're going to be starting from the scratch for ourselves. So like I said, here now you can just download, and it just shows to you, prepare your design for you, and immediately you finish downloading, it will be saved in the cloud for you on Canva, and it will also be downloaded into your own gallery so that you can use it for whatever you want to use it for later. That's it. So that's about it for this one. The next session, I will go be talking about how we can actually we can create from the scratch. That's the next one. Stay tuned.